Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to log in to Life360 if you don't want to use a phone number. So let's get started. First of all, open the Life360 application and make sure your device is connected to the internet. Here you can also use email instead of using the phone number. Sign in with email. Enter email credentials. Enter the email address and password associated with your Life360 account. If you don't have any account, you can create one using email instead. After you have created your email or account, then Life360 may send a verification code to your email instead of a text. You can check your Gmail for a text notification that is given by the Life360. As you can see, when I have logged into my email, Life360 has given the verification code. You can simply use the verification code and log into your account. Now, once verified, you will be logged in. You can now access your circles, check location, and use all the features of Life360 without a phone number. And that's it. You have successfully logged into Life360 using your email. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.